Welcome to this new unboxing video. My name is Ilona, product manager at Online-HearingAids. Now today I have a very exciting latest addition to our collection, the Starkey Edge AI hearing aids. These hearing aids combine sleek design with the latest technology in speech recognition and listening comfort. In this video we will discuss what makes this new series so special. The Starkey Edge AI series has several models that we at Online-HearingAids particularly recommend for people with moderate to severe hearing loss. In addition to the well-known RIC models that sit discreetly behind the ear, Starkey also has their unique and popular in-the-ear models. Most of the models are fully waterproof and they all feature Bluetooth connectivity. In addition, their RIC 312 and the RIC RT can also be paired with a cross model for people with one-sided deafness. And although Starkey makes very reliable rechargeable hearing aids with a battery life of up to 30 to 50 hours, there are always people who still prefer the regular batteries. In that case, you can choose from the RIC 312 or the CIC, which also uses the 312 batteries that provide you with about 7 days of battery life. Now, what really sets this new series apart from the previous series is its advanced Neuroprocessor. They're using deep neural network, also known as DNN technology. The Starkey Edge AI distinguishes what is speech and what is background noise much better than before. Sound entering the hearing aids are filtered by artificial intelligence, allowing you to experience up to 30% better speech understanding and improving sound quality over previous models. It can even make whispering better understandable. Now let's talk about Bluetooth connectivity. We have seen some tremendous improvements in terms of Bluetooth connectivity with this new Starkey Edge AI series. In addition to their standard Bluetooth technology, this new hearing aid also have Aracas Bluetooth, which will take over the telecoil function in public areas in the future. They also feature low energy Bluetooth, which is great for saving batteries while you're streaming. Streaming itself is also now more stable than previous series with longer distance and less dropout, allowing you to enjoy higher sound quality. If you want to learn more about what exactly Aracas Bluetooth is, please check out our video about Aracas Bluetooth via the link in the description down below. Of course, you can also subscribe to our channel so you will always see our latest videos in your YouTube newsfeed. In addition to the great performance of the hearing aids themselves, Starkey also has some very useful accessories like the StarLink Edge TV streamer that features Aracas Bluetooth, which allows you to connect the TV effortlessly to your hearing aids. Now this does not just apply to the hearing aids, by the way, because the TV streamer has Aracas Bluetooth, other devices such as headphones or earbuds that also have Aracas Bluetooth can be connected to the TV streamer. So even if you have a different brand of hearing aids, as long as it has Aracas Bluetooth, you can use the TV streamer for both. Other than that, there is the already existing StarLink Remote Control 2.0, which allows you to easily adjust the volume or listening program of your hearing aids. And there's a little extra for everyone who has an Apple Watch. You can make some basic adjustments such as volume and listening program via your Apple Watch with the Apple app from Starkey. So that's a little extra for everyone who has an Apple Watch. It's a nice little feature to make your life a little bit easier. Now, let me explain to you a new feature that we as hearing specialists find very special. For several years, Starkey hearing aids have had a fall detection feature. Thanks to a small sensor in the hearing aids and where a signal is sent to one of your contact persons if you have fallen. Now Starkey has expanded this feature with a brand new fall prevention program. Starkey conducted an extensive balance research for this new series of hearing aids. The hearing aids can now not only detect when you fall, but also help you prevent falling. Starkey's mobile app has now several specific exercises where you can hear instructions directly through the hearing aids. This is a great feature for people who are less stable, as hearing loss is often associated with an increased risk of falling. And then for people who suffer from tinnitus. The Starkey Edge AI offers an additional feature for people who suffer from tinnitus. In addition to the ocean sounds, there are now colored noise options such as red, pink, blue and purple, which help you alleviate tinnitus. These hearing aids offer more programs than the previous series, such as the Genesis AI series. There's always a lot of information when you're considering new hearing aids. Now, if you're interested in the Starkey and specifically in the Starkey Edge AI hearing aids, or if you would like to have more personal information, please contact our team of hearing specialists from Online-HearingAids.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you find this video interesting, be sure to click that like button, and thank you so much for watching. Until the next time.